To make a long video on YouTube, here's a complete step-by-step guide. First, plan your video content. Long videos need structure to keep viewers engaged. Choose a topic such as educational, documentary style, vlogs, podcasts, reaction, storytelling, or tutorials. Outline the sections including the introduction, main points divided into parts, and a conclusion or call to action. Scripting it is optional but can be helpful, especially for educational or narration-based content. Next, record the video. Use a high-quality smartphone camera or DSLR, or a screen recorder like OBS Studio, Camtasia, or Streamlabs for tutorials or presentations. Make sure to use a good microphone for clear audio. Record in a quiet environment, use a tripod or stand for stability, and record in landscape mode for YouTube. Then, edit the video using a video editor to trim, add transitions, background music, text overlays, and more. Free editors include CapCut, DaVinci Resolve, iMovie, Shotcut, OpenShot, and Veed.io, which is an easy-to-use online editor. After editing, add elements for engagement such as an intro and outro, text overlays, subtitles or captions, B-roll footage for extra visuals, and background music from the YouTube audio library. Once your video is ready, upload it to YouTube by going to youtube.com and logging in. Click Create and then Upload Video. Fill in the title, description, tags, and thumbnail, with a custom thumbnail recommended. Choose No, it's not made for kids, if it's for a general audience. Click Next through all steps, choose Public or Schedule, and then click Publish. Finally, optimize your video for SEO by using relevant keywords in the title, description, and tags. Add timestamps for longer videos, use hashtags related to your video topic, and add it to a playlist. Remember to keep a hook in the first 30 seconds, use chapters to break up long videos, and note that long videos often get more watch time, which helps with monetization. YouTube allows uploads up to 12 hours or 256 GB, but for most people, 10 to 60 minutes is ideal.